Hello friends, today we are going to do the 1 year review of Samsung 324 liters convertible refrigerator. I am using this refrigerator for the past 1 year and there are no issues observed so far in this refrigerator. So the refrigerator is bronze in color. I had already done a initial review of this refrigerator 1 year back, and the same link is posted in the description as well as to the top right of your screen. You can click that link for more details on this refrigerator. This is more of a 1 year review where I discuss the pros cons of this refrigerator. So this is how the refrigerator looks. This is a 324-liter refrigerator. I have not used any stand below the refrigerator, and this is the height of the refrigerator. So the in the front, on the top door, this is a double door refrigerator. On the top door we have the LED indicators to convert the freezer to the fridge, as well as the temperature set in the freezer and in the fridge. So it's a 5-way convertible refrigerator. We can use both the compartments as fridge, or the top compartment as freezer and the below compartment as freeze. So this is how the top compartment looks, and this is the space we get in the top compartment. So the top compartment can be used as a fridge as well as a freezer. So now both the compartments are being used as fridge. You can see that there are air vents from the top compartment to the bottom compartment. So this is how the bottom compartment looks. See, you can see the LED light of the bottom compartment in the top compartment. The top compartment doesn't come with a LED light, only the bottom compartment has light. This is the ice collector, and that is where the ice forms, and if you turn that, the ice cubes fall into the below container and you can use the ice cubes. You can see the LED light switching off, so that you can see that the air vents are from bottom compartment to the above compartment. The fridge is working good and there are no issues for the past 1 year, and the cooling is fine. Even the vegetables and the fruits which are kept in the fridge stay fresh for a longer duration compared to a single door refrigerator which I had earlier. So these are the compartments to the door. There is one flaw in this refrigerator where you cannot put a bottle more than a liter in this refrigerator. There is no compartment for a tall bottle holder. It is written as tall bottle got, but the Sprite bottle which you are observing is a 600 ml bottle. So I shall show you. If you keep a 1.25 liters bottle, so it doesn't fit in this tall bottle got. This is the flaw in this refrigerator. So you cannot put a tall bottle in the refrigerator. So this is a 1.5 liters Sprite bottle, and as you can see, let me keep this aside. Yes, as you can see, it doesn't fit. So if you are using this refrigerator for tall bottles, more of tall bottles, then this is not the refrigerator for you. So you have to keep them here. You cannot keep them in the tall bottle gourd, but you can place them in the fridge. So these are the compartments. It comes with so this is the fresh room where you keep your daily needs like milk, paneer, butter, etc. So if you pull the tray, the door opens and the tray comes out, and if you push it inside, the door closes. So there is a separate air vent for this fresh room container. So this is the second. These are the two glass things. So it's a max load of I think it's a max load of 100 kgs or something. So the glass stands are sturdy. So this is the space you get, and this is the button for the LED light. So once the door closes, the button presses and the LED light switches off. As you can see, there are multiple air vents for cooling, and the cooling is very good in this fridge. And let me show you so you can keep 16 eggs, 8 eggs per tray. There are 2 trays, so you can keep 16 eggs. This is the space you get. Below the tall gourd you don't get anything as it obstructs the vegetable box, veggie box. This is how the fridge looks. The fridge looks good and works good. It's a stabilizer free operation fridge, but I have added a stabilizer for extra protection as my area has lot of voltage fluctuations. Let's discuss the pros and cons now. The pros are cooling is very good in this refrigerator. No issues observed so far with the cooling or with the operation of fridge. The max load capacity of glass shelves is more than 100 kg, which is quite good. Fridge comes with a deodorizing filter which removes the bad odor. The vegetable box is quite big. The fresh tray is quite useful for daily needs. The most important is it's a 5-in-1 convertible refrigerator. The 5 modes are both the top and bottom compartment can be used as fridge. The top compartment can be switched off and only the bottom compartment can be kept on. The bottom compartment can be switched off and only the top compartment can be kept on. The top compartment can be used as freezer and the bottom compartment can be used as fridge. The top compartment can be used as freezer and the bottom compartment can be switched off. So these are the 5 modes in which we can use this refrigerator, which is the top important feature for buying this refrigerator. Now let's discuss the cons. There is no holder for tall bottles, that is the bottles more than 1 liter capacity. Even though when one of the compartment is switched off, the cooling flows to the switched off compartment through the air vents which are present in between the compartments. Apart from these cons, there are no other cons for this refrigerator. This is a 2020 model 3-star 5-in-1 convertible refrigerator. With this, the review has come to an end. Please like my video if you like my review. Please find the Amazon product link in the description. Please do post your queries as comments. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for further interesting reviews, updates and videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.